Welcome to Best Choice. The best LEGO Star Destroyer is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after sets in the entire LEGO Star Wars universe, a colossal display piece that commands attention and offers an incredibly rewarding building experience for dedicated fans and master builders alike. This isn't just a toy, it's a meticulously detailed replica of the Imperial flagship, designed to capture the awe-inspiring presence of the vessel from the Star Wars saga, making it a centerpiece for any collection. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars AT-AT Walker 75313. Introducing the ultimate LEGO Star Wars AT-AT Walker UCS buildable model. This impressive set is designed for adult collectors and builders. Experience an immersive Star Wars adventure with its posable legs and head, opening hatches, and rotating cannons. It even includes realistic recoil action. This detailed model features removable panels, a bomb drop hatch, and a hook for attaching to Luke Skywalker's line, adding extra playability. The main body has ample space to store up to 40 minifigures, for speeder bikes, and the included E-Web heavy repeating blaster. This set comes with 9 Star Wars minifigures, including General Veers, Luke Skywalker, Snowtrooper Commander, Snowtroopers, and AT-AT drivers. With 6,785 pieces, this big Star Wars LEGO set offers a rewarding building experience and makes a stunning centerpiece for display. This LEGO Star Wars UCS set is the ideal birthday present or holiday gift for any Star Wars connoisseur and advanced LEGO builder. What we like. This is the ultimate build for the serious collector. It features an incredibly detailed interior with space for minifigures and vehicles. If you're looking for the most imposing and feature-rich AT-AT display piece, this is the one for you. What people say. The Star Destroyer is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details and a solid build. It's a challenging but rewarding build, perfect for experienced LEGO fans. The final model looks impressive on a shelf. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars First Order Star Destroyer 75190. Discover a highly detailed interior with top panels that open out. You can access Snoke's chamber via a working elevator, complete with a mini hologram figure. The bridge offers seating for the crew, and a passageway leads directly to the control room. Imagine commanding your fleet from here. This set comes with 5 minifigures, including Supreme Leader Snoke and various First Order personnel. Plus, BB-9E and a buildable medical droid are included. Equip your minifigures for any mission with the included weapons. It comes with 2 blasters and 2 blaster pistols. Lift the elevator to place Snoke in his chamber. You can recreate your favorite moments from the movie with this incredible set. What we like. This set offers a fantastic glimpse into the First Order's command. It includes a working elevator and detailed chambers for key characters. If you're a fan of the First Order and want a set with playable interior details, this is a great choice. What people say. The LEGO Star Wars Star Destroyer is a massive and detailed model, perfect for display. It features intricate interior details, including the bridge and detention block, which are accurately recreated from the movie. The build process is challenging but rewarding, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. Number 3. Mould King 21004 Super Star Destroyer Building Kit. Introducing the Super Star Destroyer, an immense building set with over 10,000 pieces. Its colossal size and intricate details make it a stunning display piece for any enthusiast. Every aspect has been meticulously recreated, from the iconic black hull to the powerful engine details. It's a true-to-life replica of the vessel seen in the movies. Building this incredible model is made easy with a full-color manual and conveniently sorted pieces. You can even combine it with other sets to expand your fleet. The high-quality bricks ensure a stable and satisfying building experience. Its modern design and included decorative stickers add the finishing touches. This impressive building toy is the perfect gift for any fan. Its grand scale and movie-accurate design are sure to impress and evoke cherished cinematic moments. With its enormous size and exceptional detail, this building kit is designed to be the centerpiece of any collection. It's more than a toy, it's a statement. What we like. Prepare for an epic building challenge with this colossal model. Its sheer size and intricate details make it a showstopper. If you crave the ultimate display piece and have the space and dedication for a massive build, this Super Star Destroyer is unmatched. What people say. The build was very sturdy and the details were amazing. It looks incredible on display and is a great conversation starter. The minifigures included are a nice bonus and add to the playability. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75394. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed brick recreation of the Imperial Star Destroyer. Perfect for recreating thrilling scenes from Star Wars: A New Hope. Bring your battles to life with 7 iconic minifigures, including Darth Vader and a special 25th anniversary Cal Kestis. Expand your collection and your storytelling possibilities. This set is designed for both play and display. It features a hidden carry handle for flight play, spring-loaded shooters, and accessible interior details for immersive adventures. Explore the intricate interior, complete with a command bridge, armory, and even a kyber crystal element. Every detail is crafted for an authentic Star Wars experience. Looking for the perfect gift for a Star Wars fan aged 10 and up? This collectible building set is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. With over 1,500 pieces, this impressive model offers hours of creative building fun. Once completed, it's a stunning display piece that celebrates the Star Wars saga. What we like. This set brings the classic Imperial Star Destroyer to life with fun play features. It includes iconic characters and elements for recreating memorable scenes. If you're looking for a balance of displayability and playability for a classic Star Wars ship, this is an excellent option. What people say. The LEGO Star Wars Star Destroyer is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details that capture the essence of the iconic ship. Building the Star Destroyer was a rewarding experience, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces, making it enjoyable for both experienced builders and newcomers. The finished model is impressively large and solid, showcasing the excellent quality and design expected from LEGO. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Venator-Class Republic Attack Cruiser 75367. Step back into the Clone Wars era and construct an iconic starship. This impressive build and display model lets you recreate legendary moments from the galaxy far, far away. This set comes with 2 key figures from the Clone Wars, Captain Rex and Admiral Yularen. Bring your display to life with these legendary leaders. Every detail has been meticulously recreated in LEGO style. From the command bridge to the hangar featuring a miniature Republic gunship, it's all here. This model is made for showcasing. It includes a display stand with an information plaque and a special 20th anniversary Clone Wars brick. Looking for a gift for a dedicated Star Wars fan or LEGO collector? This massive 5,374-piece set is perfect for adults seeking a rewarding and stress-relieving building experience. What we like. Relive the epic Clone Wars era with this stunning UCS set. It's designed for display, featuring authentic details and a dedicated stand. If you're a fan of the Clone Wars and want a high-quality, display-focused model of a Republic vessel, this is the perfect set. What people say. The detail on this set is incredible, with accurate interior and exterior features. It's a massive build, perfect for display, and the minifigures included are a great bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.